How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Before starting, make sure that you have X application, that means Twitter application installed on your device and you are logged in into your account. Now open your X application and tap on your profile at the top left corner. Again, click on the settings and support and tap on settings and privacy option. Now you will be appeared on the account settings of your account. Click on the privacy and safety option and you will be directed to this page. Here you can see the different options, from which click on the option that says content you see. Now in order to turn off sensitive content, just toggle off the option and that's it. In this easy and simple way, you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.